In today's video, we are going to look at the multi-orientation feature in Google Docs, a feature that has been long in the making and that is finally here. There are two ways in which we can do this. The first way is we select the text that we want to have in a multi-orientation, meaning either in landscape or into a portrait mode. Click right on the text, and then I'm going to have the pop-up menu and click on Change Page to Landscape. Then what it is going to do, it is going to leave the first area as a portrait, automatically switch the text that I have selected into landscape and the rest of the text back into portrait. If not, there is a second way in which we can do this. For this, what we need to do is first and foremost insert a break into the page. So we're going to come into insert, go into break, and then say section break in the area that I want to create the break. Whenever that's done, I will come into file, go into page setup, and here after select the landscape, I need to make sure that I apply this to the right section. For instance here, this section. And when I click on OK, once again, I'm going to have a landscape mode. And this is how you activate and use the multi-orientation setup and feature in Google Docs. Thank you very much. Have a good day.